I couldn't find any garlic powder at my grocery store, but I was able to find some minced garlic. So I got my coffee grinder out. We're gonna go ahead and make our own garlic powder. So I'm gonna add some into my coffee grinder. That's probably enough. And then I'm gonna cover it with, this is press and seal. That way, wrong side. That way the powder doesn't go all over. And put my lid on the grinder and grind. A little bit more. Need a little bit more. And there we go, garlic powder.